choosing your first programming language.
Switching careers to tech can be exciting, but knowing where to start is key. The best programming languages for newcomers are those with strong job demand, simple syntax, and lots of learning resources. Whether you want to work in web development, data analysis, or app creation, picking the right language makes it easier to build skills and find opportunities.
Python, versatile and beginner-friendly.
Python is often recommended for career changers because of its readable syntax and wide industry use. It's popular in web development, data science, automation, and more. The abundance of learning materials and supportive communities make it accessible, even for those with no previous coding experience. Mastering Python can open doors to many roles and industries.
JavaScript, the language of the web.
JavaScript powers interactive websites and web applications. Learning JavaScript gives you access to front-end development with frameworks like React or Angular, and even server-side coding with Node.js. Since almost every modern website uses JavaScript, skilled developers are always in demand. If you're interested in web development, this is a top choice.
SQL, essential for data careers.
SQL is the standard language for working with databases. It's widely used in roles like data analysis, business intelligence, and back-end development. Understanding SQL helps you access and analyze data, making it vital for anyone interested in data-driven fields. Its syntax is straightforward and can be learned quickly by beginners.
Java and C#, enterprise and mobile options.
Java and C# are popular in enterprise environments and large organizations. Both languages are used to build business software, mobile apps, and even games. Although their syntax is more complex than Python's, learning them can lead to well-paying roles in established companies, especially if you're interested in enterprise-level or Android development.
How to decide which language to learn.
Focus on your career goals and interests when picking your first language. If you want a gentle learning curve and flexibility, Python is a great start. For web development, JavaScript is essential. For data, choose SQL or Python. Explore free online resources, practice consistently, and remember, every language you learn makes the next one easier.